So in this demo, we're going to generate using GPT's Vision API some searchable tags for these product shots. And you can see the tags that we generated right here. So here is the workflow triggering on product created, and you'll be able to use the time travel feature to run this against your whole catalog if you wanted to. And just filtering here to make sure that we have an image and that the images are not empty before we pass it off to the prompt. And here's the prompt here. Give me a comma separated list of search engine tags for this product. If we have a description, which in this case we don't, we can add that into the prompt to help it out a little bit. And we're using custom code here for the Vision API call just because we don't have a standard step for that, as it's one of the newer APIs they've released. But we're passing in all of the images for the product into that prompt, and then adding the tags that it comes up with. So here's the test run. And actually, each time we run this, it's going to generate some slightly different tags. And so it's adding to this list of tags each time. So the list is getting longer and longer. But yeah, here you can see that. So it does a pretty good job of picking up tags from that. So pretty useful. And then, of course, those will be added in there. You can use them for different things. As usual, you can find this on the automation demos section of the blog. And you can download that workflow in order to play around with it. If you need help setting that up, let us know. We'd be happy to help.